Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to find the function given equation if f of x minus is equals to minus 15, then what is the value of x given f of x is equals to 5x minus 3 minus 2x squared. Let's find the value of x given f of x is equals to minus 15. Then we have, let's replace 15 with f of x. Minus 15 is equals to 5x minus 3 minus 2x squared. Then let's take everything to the right hand side. Take minus 2 to the right hand side. It will be 2x squared. We take minus 5x. We take minus 15 to the right hand side. This will be half plus 3 plus, we take plus 3, then we take minus 15, which will remain here. Minus 15 is equals to 0. I hope we take everything to the left hand side. Then we have 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 minus 15. This is equals to minus 12 is equals to 0. Now we resolve something into quadratic equation. Let's solve the quadratic equation. Which says we have the coefficient of x is 2, we multiply by 12, we got 24. We find the multiple of 24. The add or subtract, get minus 5. Here we're going to have 8 and 3. 8 times 3 is equals to 24. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Here we have 2x squared minus 5x minus, this is will be plus 8x plus 8x minus 3x minus 12 equals to 0. Let's factorize the quadratic. The factor here is 2x. 2x outside. X plus this one. How many 2 in 8? This is 4. Minus 3. 3 is the factor. This plus 4. This is equals to 0. Since the two bracket is the same, we're going to have x plus 4 or 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. It is one of the solution here is equals to 0. It is either x plus 4 is equals to 0 or 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4, or 2x equals to 3 over 2. Therefore, x is equal to a whole number 1 over 2. That is, we have the two value of x. That is x, it is either minus 4 or 3 over 2. Let's solve the next one. Here says we find the function f of 2. F of 2 equals to 2 raised by 3 plus 5 into 2 raised by 2 minus 9. Here we have 2 raised by 3 is equals to 8 plus 5 raised by 4, 20 minus 9. This is equals to 8 plus 20 minus 1. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Bye.